Hi, I'm Jody Worrell. I want to give you a little taste of an idea that I think is really valuable in guitar playing, which is being able to play the same thing in different places on the neck, just moving things around. What I'm going to show you is from my Movable Blues Licks premium download, and we're literally going to take a lick and move it intact, literally the same notes to different parts of the neck. So let's take a look. So we're down at the 5th fret here, kind of imagining an A7 chord like this. And the lick starts off with the root, and then a hammer on from the flat 3 to the 3, then the 5th, the 6th, and the flat 7. Then right back down the same way we came. Now notice that I still hammer, we're not doing the lick exactly backwards, because that would be this. We don't want that. We want. So that little hammer from the flat 3, from the minor 3rd to the major 3rd, goes up even if the rest of the lick is coming down. Okay, so it's so let's move our root. We might ask ourselves, where would we find that note on the next lower string? 5 frets up. Okay. Now the fingering's not going to work out the same because the tuning of the 2nd and 3rd strings is not in play here. So we're going to play it like this. It's a little different fingering, and I'm playing it the way that's native to that part of the neck. I'm not forcing a fingering that's the same as this one because we've got a different group of intervals on the strings. So where I hammered on the way back down here, I'm going to slide here because it just fits the fingering. I hammered on the way up, but it really makes sense to go same thing. Okay, and then up a little further. And that one plays out exactly the same fingering, just the lower group of strings. And you might argue that how often are you going to play that up here? But the thing is, you might start a lick way up high. The one thing we cannot do is make high notes go this way. We can't bring high notes down. All we can do is bring low notes up to where the high notes are. So if we wanted to play a lick that started here and ended here, it makes more sense to go. So anyway, that's the whole idea of movable licks. You just want to know your licks so well that you can play them elsewhere on the neck. All right, there's a glimpse into the whole idea of movable blues licks. You'll find all that in my Movable Blues Licks lesson. And be sure and check out the site. We got new stuff going up every day. I'm Jody Worrell, and thanks a lot.